Hello kids, let's learn some colors.
Red color, sky blue color, yellow color, brown color, green color, dark green color, pink color, orange color, blue color, teal color. Today we are trying to learn alphabets. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for earth. F for flowers. G for giraffe. H for hippo. I for ink. J for joker. K for kite. L for leaf. M for mango. N for nose. O for onion. P for pencil. Q for queen. R for rose. S for star. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for victory. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Please like, share and subscribe.